Welcome to Campbell RV, the Gulf Coast's premier destination for RVs. And here's a look at another great vehicle from our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with pleated shades, linen cabinet, outside gas grill, fire extinguisher, U-shaped dinette, bathroom toilet, electric awning, carbon monoxide detector, an awning, bathroom tub, overhead storage, double kitchen sink, entry grab handle, dinette slide, kitchen pantry, lift up queen bed, closets on both sides of the bed, L-shaped kitchen counter, flip up counter, single slide, in-floor ducted heat, front bedroom, smoke detector, overhead kitchen storage, cable TV hookup, living area television, rear bath, walk around queen bed, sleeps up to 6 people. At Campbell RV, we've been helping families create memories since 1993. Besides new and pre-owned RVs for sale and rent, Campbell RV also services them as well. We work to provide a learning environment where you can get your questions answered without pressure to buy. From our family to yours, Campbell RV is here to provide you with the best experience possible picking out the right RV for you. Come see us today at 617 Callemen Road in Sarasota. Campbell RV, where away is closer than you think.
Thank you.